Alright, now let's do a practice problem with all this rescalings and shifts and flips. Let's put it all together and graph a really complicated function. So let's take, how about y equals negative 1/3 times 2 to the 4x plus 8 and then plus 5, something like that. Okay, so how do we do this? Well, let's start out with y equals 2 to the x. So that's just kind of our parent function here. Now let's go y equals 2 to the 4x. So now that's just getting a lot steeper. Like that. Because it's a compression. Now let's do y equals 2 to the 4x plus 8. Now that's going to be a shift. So this point now goes all the way, goes left, all the way here. Now, you always want to do your compressions and stuff before your shifts, because you don't want your shifts to get involved in the compressions there, because then that kind of compresses the shift, and then the shift turns into something else. So yeah, we don't have to worry about that if we do our compressions first and then shift it after. All right, so now let's do y equals 1/3 times 2 to the 4x plus 8. So now everything is falling back down. It's being like divided by 3. So I guess we're kind of back to something that we kind of looked like in the beginning. And let's do y equals negative 1/3 times 2 to the 4x plus 8. So now we're flipping it over the x-axis. So now it's looking like that. And then lastly, where will I put this? We'll just change this one. Erase. And erase this too. Now we'll add 5 to it. So that's just this up here. So we take this and then shift it up 5 units. So looking something like this. So if you want to be more precise, you can keep track of where the intercept is, and yeah, label like your x-intercepts and stuff. So that's how the general takeaway from this is that you should always do your compressions and your stretches before you do your shifts. Otherwise the shifts will get caught up in the mess and it won't be right.